How to fix error called unsupported GPU in my Warzone mobile application or website or the panel where I'm playing the game. How can I simply solve this issue? That is, if you receive a pop-up regarding unsupported GPU in your mobile whenever you're trying to play Warzone mobile. So guys, this type of error usually occurs when your phone is not connected to a better network, or maybe you're facing a technical or a network error, because this type of error usually happens from your side, not from the developer side. What you need to do is, in 3 steps, I will tell you to refresh your mobile phone and then restart the game in your phone on the home screen. Firstly, what we will do is we simply have to swipe our phone like this and switch on the flight mode here. Once you will turn on the airplane mode, your phone will be in airplane mode, data will be off, and your mobile will be refreshed. You simply have to switch on or switch off the airplane mode again and then try to launch the game on your phone. If still your issue is not solved, what you have to do is simply delete the application and then check your phone's requirements that you're qualifying all the game requirements and you have updated your game from the Google Play Store or from the third party website from where you have downloaded. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel for watching more technical videos, reviews and updates like this.